Hello everyone, my name is Eileen and today I would like to talk to you about Alibaba's big data management and how it empowers business development. Since 1999, Alibaba has gradually evolved from a single platform into a business ecosystem promoter, extending from the initial wholesale business and retail business to life service, entertainment, and other sectors, and expanding into logistics, marketing, finance, digital technologies, etc. With the expansion of the group, it also has shown an exponential growth in data. How to better promote data management between the groups in various ecosystems has always been a core issue in the development process of Alibaba. The expansion has brought a sharp increase in data scale and data management, and the governments have become more important proposition to support the business development. Before in 2014, each business of Alibaba had a corresponding ETF which stood for extracting, transforming, and loading data from the source to the destination. It is the lifeline of the data warehouse. So each of those groups had their own corresponding ETF development team to provide data support. And each ETL development team would build its own data system according to its own idea. As you can see in this figure, every ETF development team will start from copying a basic data and develop upward when supporting each business line. Although some ETL development teams have established a good middle layer model, they are difficult to reuse, and each ETL development team is also independent of each other. So when the data analyst or business personnel conducts business analysis, they also independently generate data tables in the middle layer from the bottom upward, which is duplicated with the data table in the middle layer that sometimes exists and sometimes does not exist. So data duplication and data silos bring data timeline invalidity issues causing problem to the business development. For example, the data department is tired of business support and lack overall planning. So service oriented is insufficient, and the way for business parties to obtain data are complicated and inconsistent. So data analysts spend most of their energy on obtaining the data, and the efficiency of obtaining the data is very low. As you can see here, so data management needs brought about business development. Alibaba has achieved an explosive business development since 1999, like Taobao, AliExpress, 1688, Alipay, and each business is data driven. However, as the scale of Alibaba continues to expand, the data system with Oracle as the core can no longer meet the computing requirement because there is insufficient computing power. There are also many data delays and dissatisfaction coupled with expensive costs. There is no way to continue to support the business development. The data development path based on Alibaba and Taobao's business, the Taobao Hadoop unified the scheduling system was developed to improve server utilization and reduce overall operating costs. It was the prototype of the current data platform Data Work. Alibaba independently worked to develop the Max Compute Big Data Computing service to unify Alibaba's internal data and big data computing system and solve the problem of insufficient large scale computing. During this period, the data of all the business parties was also constructed vertically and developed in the form of independent small closed loops based on their own business forms. By 2015, Alibaba had formed 12 different business departments in 9 different platform systems, and each platform system architect was different. the user digitization process required multiple data system across multiple BUs, business unit, resulting in the phenomenon of a data island becoming increasingly common. Seriously, data costs are getting higher and higher. So data platform development continues to promote max compute projects and break through the limitation and stimulate simultaneous computing of 5,000 servers in the same cluster. Promote the construction of data works project, synchronize all the business department and business data to a unified big data platform, manage the uniformity, and break the SALD status of business data. In 2015, DataWorks was moved to the cloud to serve corporate and government customers. In order to realize a true unification of Alibaba's database, Alibaba uses platform system to carry the methodology to achieve efficient data management. On the data platform side, DataWorks built one-stop capabilities of large-scale collaborative data development and governance. Max compute servers clustered reaching 100,000 levels, serving the daily operations of all BUs and more than 200,000 employees of Alibaba Group in supporting the reliability of various businesses. And they've also achieved continuous development. After 2018, the entire Alibaba platform had become very mature, and the platform side and in the business side had reached a very good state of cooperation. So the business side recognizes the value of the data platform, and the business department and the technical department complement each other, and the data center service business as reach a positive cycle. So Alibaba began to promote the opening of the data services to the outside world, empowering customers with Alibaba's experience and system in creating greater demands of data service development. So the business built by DataWorks supports over 300 plus data application within the group, and Max Compute Intelligent Data Warehouse support the large scale of data processing requirement of double. Continued to promote full length data governance, explored Alibaba's platform to empower customers and provide support for customers' data management and business development. As you can see here, the works within Alibaba Group is one of the best practices in Alibaba Center construction, supporting 99% of Alibaba's group data development. To simply put it, DataWorks adopt a one-stop concept through a data development link, a set of data standard architecture, a set of data governance system combined with the big data computing engine, so that the enterprise have a one-stop data development and governance capability. So as you can see here, there's a data development link, a set of data standard architecture, and a data governance system. So let's take HEMA for example. HEMA is a new retail innovation model that adopts the online to offline innovation model. The goal is to introduce offline traffic to online and use offline experience to make user willing to buy online. So based on the O2O business structure, HEMA has established the family as a key consumer group, built the business structure of HEMA Fresh, and established fresh food e-commerce, multifunctional stores, display distribution, and experience machine processing service as a core business system. So focusing on HEMA's new retail model and the O2O business structure is established a technical path of comprehensive business digitalization, um, connecting online and offline data and products, structuring business data to provide support for upper level strategies, and at the same time integrating all the business is connected online to form a closed loop solution. In order to achieve a closed loop between business and data and realize the management and operation of the data set, Hama has established a middle platform based on DataWorks and relied on the power of data governance capability. So like I said, as you can see here, you can see the data collection, data development, data application, and data governance. So data development uses SQL for processing and development and unified by diverse data service or developed on based on DataWorks. The data processing process is a process of business logic implementation. DataWorks establish intelligent data modeling and support automated and intelligence implementation of data indicators within the logical model. Uh, Whenever an application called API, the SQL statement parsed by the API data call will directly initiate a query request for the data indicator through the logical model instead of the logical table. And the request result is returned by an intelligent black box based on logic model is implemented. So the prerequisite for the implement intelligent black box to realize each data indicator is to define data specifications for each data indicators and map it to a logical model. So based on this process, the intelligent black box implement intelligent calculations and intelligent storage of the data indicators. So overall data services based on DataWorks are unified but diverse. For example, the tens of billions of calls services on Double 11, which is a big holiday for China, it's or Black Friday in America, are unified, but the acquisition model can be diverse. Uh, Independent queries, data services can be provided through API or online. Direct data calls can be provided through API. So a data center built by Herma based on DataWorks brings real-time monitoring, problem diagnosis, business prediction, automatic management, and other capabilities to Herma, promoting Herma's efficient management and flexible operation. So realize data report and data visualization for Herma Business provide business dashboard, real-time large screens, provide billboards and user portraits and other application supports Hama discovering problems through the data and assist manual decision making. Hama belongs to the new retail and is particularly affected by factors such as weather, holidays, and even traffic accidents. So the platform can develop predictive applications such as sales forecast, hot products forecast, user churn warning, etc., to achieve advanced development in a response plan. Within the expansion of the business, food, the original business model and data management may not be able to support the development of Hema's business. So Hema data platform provides Hema more refined management and controls, such as category diagnosis, inventory health, and thereby Hema with the function of diagnosis problems. So this was it. I hope you guys enjoyed this presentation and thank you again.